Today we are going to see about aquaculture, growing of a fish, and how it is grown and what are the nutritional value of fish. Aquaculture. Aquaculture is the rearing of economically important aquatic organisms like fish, prawns, shrimps, crabs, lobster, edible oyster, pearl oyster, and seaweeds under controlled and confined environmental conditions using advanced technologies. Types of aquaculture. Aquaculture is classified into freshwater aquaculture, marine water aquaculture, freshwater aquaculture. The rearing of aquatic organisms in freshwater is called freshwater aquaculture. Culture of organism is carried out in pond, river, dam, lake, and cold water. These freshwater resources remain within the land. Crabs, catfish, and air breathing fishes are cultured in fresh water. Marine water aquaculture. The cultivation of aquatic organism in seawater. This is also referred as marine culture or sea farming. Culture of organisms is carried out along the sea coast and in deep sea. Organisms like shrimps, pearl oyster, edible oyster, finfish like salmons, sea bass, milkfishes, and mullets are cultured in marine water. Prospects of aquaculture. Aquaculture has become the fastest growing food production sector to meet the demands of food and nutrition to the growing population through increased production from aquatic food resources. It aims at blue revolution. It is a major source of export and foreign exchange earning for the country. It generates employment through fish farming in rural and underdeveloped area. Pisciculture. Pisciculture are fish culture in the process of breeding and rearing of fishes in ponds, reservoirs, lakes, rivers, and paddy fields. It is the farming of economically important fishes under controlled condition. Types of pisciculture. Extensive fish culture. Culture of fishes in large areas with low stocking density and natural feeding. Intense fish culture. Culture of fishes in small areas with high stocking density and providing artificial feed to increase production. Monoculture. It is the culture of a single type of fish in a water body. It is also called monospecies culture. Polyculture. It is the culture of more than one type of fish in a water body. It is also called composite fish culture. Integrated fish farming. It is the culture of fishes along with agricultural crops or animal husbandry farming. Rearing of fish along with paddy, poultry, cattle, pig, and ducks. Types of ponds for fish culture. Fish farm requires different types of pond for the various developmental stages of fish growth. They are given below. Breeding pond. Healthy and sexually mature male and female fishes are collected and introduced in this pond for breeding. The eggs released by the female are fertilized by the sperm, and fertilized eggs float in water as fourthing marsh. Hatching pits. The fertilized eggs are transferred to hatching pits or hatching cups for hatching. Nursery ponds. The hatchlings are transferred from hatching pits after 2 to 7 days. The hatchlings grow into fry and are cultured in these ponds for about 60 days with proper feeding till they reach 2 to 2.5 centimeter in length. Rearing ponds. Rearing ponds are used to culture the fry. The fish fry are transferred from nursery ponds to rearing ponds and are maintained for about 3 months till they reach 10 to 15 centimeter in length. In this rearing pond, the fry develops into fingerlings, stocking ponds. The stocking ponds is also called as culture pond or production pond. These ponds are used to rear fingerlings up to the marketable size. Nutritional value of fishes. Cultivable freshwater and marine food fishes are highly nutritious, rich source of animal proteins and are easily digestible. They are rich in essential amino acids such as lysine and methionine, polyunsaturated fatty acid, minerals like calcium, phosphorus, iron, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Fat soluble vitamins A, D, and water soluble B complex vitamins like pyridoxine, cyanocobalamin, and niacin.